Hello everyone, this is Ultimate Video Master here, and today I will explain my reasons why Nature Cat336 Fanboy909 sucks. But anyway, let's begin. First, he cannot handle his own hate. Like, if you make a rant out of him, he'll basically make a user video out of you for ranting on him. Like, for example, he made a video of him kicking some QB team for ranting on him. Yeah, that just shows how he can't handle his own hate. Second of all, he bashes opinions on stuff. For example, he made a video named Fanboy Chum Chum Rant, Stop This Hate. Yeah, that is basically a video of him parodying Teen Titans Go Minecraft Boy 37, where he forces everyone to stop hating Teen Titans Go. Yeah, he's basically doing the same thing with Fanboy and Chum Chum. Dude, it's their opinion. Third of all, he even freaks out over people losing interest in him. Look, people can start to lose interest in you whenever they want. It's their choice. Fourth of all, he even accuses people of not handling criticism when he barely has any evidence to show for that. Well, he even can't handle criticism himself. And fifth of all, he even makes dumb videos out of a lot of his haters. Like, he made a user video out of how me and some other users dance. You know, that's considered a hate video, and hate videos like that can't get your channel terminated. That's all I have to say. This is Ultimate Video Master signing off.